Okay gang, something a bit different today. I'm doing a bike packing test ride. Rebellion Way is coming up this weekend over Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 days of riding. Not camping, so we've got accommodation booked, but the group I'm riding with, we all seem to have got together totally different bike packing setups, and I think that's really fun. So obviously I'm gravel bike, lightweight, we've got a touring bike with panniers, we've got a mountain bike with panniers, a gravel bike with panniers, and then another, a cyclocross bike with an Ortlieb saddle pack like I've got. So that's going to be interesting. I also have a bit of a party look going on. Pink glasses, a bum bag. And I've also swapped my shoelaces for bright pink ones, so we're going disco vibes. Yeah, let's go. I also received some really lovely feedback that people are appreciating my more regular posting. So I have been trying not to just be really sporadic. So I'm attempting to post a video every Monday, and then there might be the odd occasional little bonus video that comes out on a Wednesday. So yeah, if you're looking for videos, usually around 7 o'clock. On a Monday, so that's what we're aiming for. Right, let's go meet the others. What a glorious evening, it's so nice. So I am actually a little bit early. Overexcited, of course. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this one. I think it'll be really good fun. So yeah, I think there's going to be Peter, Laura, Sarah coming, and also Natalie, who's not coming on the tour, but she's been out of cycling action for a while, so it'll be good to have her just come along for the ride. Yeah, so all good. I will do a rundown tomorrow of the kit that I'm taking, so I'll get everything out of my bag and kind of just show you what I'm planning on bringing with me. So yeah, all good. Bike packing bags everywhere. Are you not interested in bike packing, Natalie?
No, I'm okay, thank you. I'll pass this time, or maybe every other time. Maybe one day if it was like 30 mile stop, nice hotel. 30 miles.
The luxury bike packing tour.
Yeah, that sounds okay.
If only. I couldn't get any Perrier though, that's the only thing.
Some pannier rack adjustments going on here.
I think it is golf. I have been just
What a lovely evening, so nice.
Yeah.
We're lucky again.
Hopefully it stays like this
Yes,
the weekend.
Definitely.
I don't think it's going to rain. It's not going to be a process today.
So the reason for this ride really was to do a bit of a kit test. So that we've got a few people that haven't done much bike packing before, so just to kind of test the setup a little bit. Laura is borrowing Sarah's bike, so that's a first. I think that's the first time she's ridden with panniers as well, so a little bit of a test ride before the trip, and it's kind of a bonus that it's a lovely evening.
And I've never done a tour on this, so this is
Haven't
new to me.
you?
No, not on this. I did, the first one I ever did was on my cyclocross, and I sold that in lockdown.
Yeah.
So, and I did Scotland on that.
Yeah.
And I've never done a tour on this, but yeah,
cool.
It's alright.
We've had to do, so that Laura could ride Sarah's touring bike, we've done a bit of a rejig, haven't we? Well, you have. And luckily we've got kit to cover.
I was undecided.
Peter's borrowing one of my spare bags, so we've lent out the kit, Sarah.
It kind of forced me into a corner, so I have to use this one. But it's okay, it's not a problem.
All good.
I like having choices, but it makes it easy for me if the choices are taken away.
This? I hope it doesn't get crumpled. Probably because Colin hasn't submitted the results, I suspect.
How's your bike packing setup, Peter?
Tip top.
Are you pleased with it?
I am very pleased. I could
1
ride all
second.
day. I could ride all day with it.
Any adjustments to make?
No? No, it's spot on.
All good?
Go on, Sarah. Give it to us, girl.
So you're just going to ask Natalie, sure you don't want to come on the bike packing tour, Natalie?
You know what? I think I'm okay. I think I'll pass, but thank you so much for the kind offer. I've seen how much Laura's struggled on that bike.
Oh, Laura.
Love you, Laura.
I've got to say though, Natalie, that answer on camera was a lot more polite than the first one.
I didn't swear, which is unusual.
No, it's
I
fine.
know.
Bike packing's not for everyone. I get it.
No. Maybe one day.
Yeah, and then we're going wild camping, back end of nowhere.
Yeah, that's my bag.
Bivvy.
Oh yeah.
Bivvying on a rainy, wet day.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Hardcore.
The smell of wet, sweaty tent. I'm in.
Bike packing test ride complete.
I feel like I'm in a sparkling water.